Good morning. It's about 8:30. I just woke up. I'm going to get ready for my first class, which starts at 10:30, so I have to leave around 10:10. I thought I would show you guys generally how I get ready for school in the morning, as a college student with not a whole lot of time and a whole lot of stuff to do at a very, very active major. So yeah, just gonna take you guys through that. So I don't always shower in the morning, but last night I was exhausted and a little lazy and a little dirty. So I went to bed immediately after taking off my makeup and taking out my contacts. So we're due for a shower this morning, and after yoga I feel like it's definitely called for. So instead of using one of those kind of weird plastic ones that gets really dirty, I opted for a metal bin. It holds way more stuff and it doesn't get super gross and dirty like all the plastic ones do. Don't have to throw it out, can be used for multiple things. So I like this as kind of like a sustainable alternative to like plastic shower caddies. Alright, so just got out of the shower, squeaky clean now, no longer dirty and stinky. Did wash my hair for the first time in weeks. I have a shampoo bar from Lush that I really like, and a conditioner bar from Package Free Shop. Those are what were in the shower caddy. Both of those have worked really, really well with my hair so far. Granted, my hair is brand new. If you read my blog, you know that I shaved my head in August actually when I came back to school. But now that I'm out of the shower, I'm going to do my skincare, but I'll finally get to show you guys actually what I do for my morning skincare. So after I do my skincare, the next thing that I normally do in the morning is make my coffee. I've found that making my coffee at home for myself has saved me a lot of money, a lot of time, and a lot of disposable paper and plastic cups that are not necessarily always recyclable. Currently, I'm just using one of my mugs to keep my coffee in, because normally I would make this later and I would take my coffee with me to go to my first class, which today happens to be my ballet class. This is my little French press. Okay, so while I'm waiting for my coffee to brew, I take into account the fact that today I have class from 10:30 a.m. until 5:55 p.m. with no breaks, and then I have a rehearsal from 6 to 8:30. So, don't have time to get lunch or dinner until after rehearsal, but by that time I don't really want to eat anyway. So I'm gonna bring some snacks with me. I'm gonna take one of these vanilla almond butter and probiotic bars. In my bag I already have these coconut love clusters, which are actually very, very good. Highly recommend. Very good snack. I've also got some baby carrots and some hummus down here that I think I'm gonna take with me as well. Okay, so coffee has been brewed and poured and waiting for it to cool down. So now, like I said, my first class is a ballet class. I have pretty much all dance classes today except for one women's gender class. So we're gonna be doing a whole lot of active wear kind of thing, a little bit of athleisure as my roommate calls it. But yeah, now I'm gonna get dressed. So this is an example of what I would wear to more of a lecture class. Sweatshirt is a sweatshirt from Skidmore College that my sister got and never ended up wearing, so it came to me. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know what kind of jeans these are. These are the Levi high-rise wedgie. They're not as high-rise as I would like them to be. I think I'm going to try out the ribcage next, and then these are just some navy blue Nikes. Oh, thick lace, thick sole, pretty comfortable. And then for dance, I packed an additional t-shirt and I packed a pair of sweatpants as well. Alright, so as you can see, I'm a little bit bundled up here because it's 25 degrees out. Ohio is not very forgiving in the earlier months of the year, except the last couple of days it has been a little bit spring-like. But now that I'm all dressed, all packed, all ready to go, I'm gonna go downstairs to our campus market and grab a smoothie and a granola bar for breakfast and then head out and go to class. So thank you so much for watching how I plan out my morning routine as a college student with a very busy schedule. But yeah, thank you, bye.